Let's turn this tomato cage into this awesome Christmas tree. I got a bunch of red ornaments on clearance and I'm going to use them to cover this tomato cage, which is already the perfect tree shape. Let's go. The tomato cage needs solid sides so the ornaments don't slip through, so we'll wrap it with ordinary packing tape to create a solid shell base. Easy peasy, now you have a solid cone. Then we'll wrap the whole thing in red cellophane just so there's red underneath that will show through in case there are any small gaps between the ornaments. When the red cone is ready, it's time to add those ornaments. All you need is some clear monofilament fishing line and scissors. String the ornaments onto the line and tie them in a loop around the base of the tree, kind of like a necklace. Tie the string just tight enough so that the row of ornaments is about a ½ inch off the floor so they don't break or get scratched on the floor. The angled sides of the tree will help keep your string in place and it shouldn't slip off. Now continue adding more strings of ornaments, tying each string a little tighter as you work your way up to the top. The ornaments should nestle right between the ones below it, and obviously you'll need fewer ornaments per string as you work your way up. When you get to the top and don't have room for more strings of ornaments, just get the hot glue gun out and add the last few individually to create a point. These trees make great Christmas decor for your front porch and look even better with some sparkly ribbon and a bow. No one will ever guess you started with a tomato cage.